To render a point cloud, you're going to go to the point clouds tab or ribbon, and you're going to select the rendering option. So you can do a scan color, which you can see it's going to change that scan to a defined color. You can set region by region color. So if I had a region, then I would be able to define it with that view. The grayscale we already seen. You can do color code intensity, so this kind of shows the intensity of the point, as well as true color. The true color would apply if you also colorized the scan. By colorizing the scan, it would match the photo pixel image. So if this happened to be a blue building, then the pixel would show up as blue. The trees would show up as green and brown based on the actual color of that tree. Or I can show color by elevation. So you can see it's elevating it and showing me different colors by color by elevation. Just to the right, there is another command here, which is the rendering settings. So in this case, you can control the brightness, the contrast, and the blending, as well as control the color by elevation. So you can set an origin elevation and then set the interval that you want to display. So if I wanted every 5 foot, it would set the color based on that interval. You can also use an auto detect, and it'll go through and it'll auto detect the color interval. You can set it to 2, and now you can see that I can control that again, as well as I can control the brightness and the contrast as well.